Hey there! For today's activity, we'll be working on shapes together. Let's try hearts. You'll need colors. Trace the hearts. I'm going to use a blue marker to trace the hearts. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. There, we trace the hearts.